Electric vehicles are booming in the Middle East. According to CNBC, Saudi Arabia is researching its own electric vehicle brand, Sur, and owns about 60% of the shares in electric vehicle company Lucid Motors. The country's public investment fund has also just poured an additional $1.8 billion into Lucid. Electric vehicles are also gradually exploding in Israel. The number of electric vehicles delivered in the first half of last year was 210% higher than in the same period the previous year. In Bahrain, Gauss Auto, an American manufacturing corporation, cooperated with Bahrain's Marsan Group to open an electric vehicle factory. More and more people realize that countries must do something about the climate problem. I think Middle Eastern countries are no exception, said Tammy Klein, president of the Electric Vehicle Council. Drastic changes before the wave of electric vehicles. The UAE has joined hands with Einride, a road transport company using autonomous electric vehicles based in Sweden, to bring the future of electric vehicles to the Middle East. Einride, the company ranked 13th on CNBC's Disruptor 50, 2023 list, announced a partnership with the UAE's Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure to establish sustainable transportation in the region. Although it is only a memorandum of understanding, the event marks Einride's entry into the Middle East with a plan to develop the region's largest autonomous electric truck fleet. 5 years is the expected time to complete the above plan. According to Robert Falk, CEO and founder of the company, this collaboration highlights what Einride can bring to the table. It is a transition to efficient and sustainable all-electric transportation. Called the Falcon Rise Project, Einride plans to deploy a freight network spanning more than 300 miles across Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Sharjah, including 2,000 electric trucks, 200 self-driving trucks, and 8 charging stations. Tammy Klein, president of the Electric Vehicle Council, is optimistic about this strategic idea. I think Einride has an interesting approach, in terms of what they can bring to electrification and automation. This is really suitable for a small country like the UAE, Klein said. The Saudi Arabian government is also funding infrastructure to promote the transition to electric vehicles. Since 2021, the Saudi Arabian Electric Vehicle Charging Infrastructure Development Initiative, SEFCID, has aimed to install 50,000 domestic charging stations by 2025. Major automakers in the US and China are also competing to gain a foothold in the Middle East electric vehicle market. GM is preparing to launch a series of new car models in the Middle East. China also penetrated the Middle East region. The Saudi Arabian Ministry of Investment just signed a $5.6 billion deal with Human Horizons, a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer. Other Chinese electric vehicle companies are also flooding into the market, including Zeekr in Israel and BYD in Jordan. In the face of a strong wave of conversion to electric vehicles, it can pave the way for other countries in the region to take action and transform infrastructure to support electric vehicles and fight climate change.